Hai teman-teman, kembali di channel Baby Sweet Family.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm
Kalau teman-teman tahu daerah Pasar Baru, ya tepatnya gedung kesenian Jakarta ini ada di daerah Pasar Baru. Seberangnya Pasar
at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it love. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save.
Ini fasilitas untuk pejalan kaki yang ada di daerah Gedung Kesenian Jakarta, tepatnya di depan Gedung Kesenian Jakarta. Tepat di seberang saya ini adalah Pasar Baru. Ya, di depan sana ini adalah Pasar Baru. Pintu masuknya di sebelah sini. Siapa nih teman-teman yang suka belanja di Pasar Baru? Pasti hafal ya. Kita lanjut ke sebelah sananya lagi, tetangganya dari Gedung Kesenian Jakarta itu ada Gedung Filateli. Tepat di belakang dari Gedung Kesenian Jakarta itu ada Polsek, Sawah Besar, dan Gedung Filateli, Starbucks, tempat nongkrong anak-anak muda Jakarta. Nah, tepat di belakang Gedung Kesenian Jakarta ini ada Starbucks dan Gedung Filateli Jakarta. Tempat hits nih teman-teman. Tempat hits buat anak-anak Jakarta. sambil menikmati mungkin secangkir kopi, snack, dan menikmati sunset Jakarta. Untuk teman-teman yang mau ke Starbucks atau Post Blok, nama baru dari gedung Filateli Jakarta itu adalah Post Blok, teman-teman bisa menggunakan parkir vale. Di sini nggak ada parkir biasa, parkirnya itu vale dengan biaya Rp30.000. Vale service drop off. Jadi teman-teman nggak bisa parkir di sini, parkirnya itu harus vale. Parkir vale dan parkirnya di sini dengan bapak-bapak itu yang menggunakan seragam hitam-hitam. Nah, ini tempat nongkrong anak muda Jakarta yang terbaru ya, Post Blok. Jadi pas nih buat nongkrong-nongkrong, ngobrol-ngobrol, santai-santai bareng sama temen-temennya, sama gengnya di Post Blok ini. Di sini ada juga Canggu Bakehouse. Nanti kita lihat di video saya selanjutnya ada apa aja sih di dalam Post Blok ini. Bagaimana sih dalamnya gedung Filateli Jakarta yang sudah direnovasi. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.